the Pancheshwar Multipurpose Project. So where is this project developed? It is developed in the Mahakali River bordering Nepal and India. So it's a joint partnership project, Nepal and India. Okay. Electricity, we are sharing equally between Nepal and India. But for irrigation, water, India will get the major share of water for irrigation. So write down Pancheshwar Multipurpose Project. It's a binational hydropower project. Binational, very important. Both countries are doing it together. Developed in the Mahakali River or the Kali River, bordering Nepal and India. I don't think you can find out rivers. The project is covered under the integrated Mahakali Treaty that was signed between Nepal and India. So write down another important treaty. Integrated Mahakali Treaty. Integrated Mahakali. Done? Next. According to this, equal sizes of underground powerhouses will be constructed on India and Nepal. So both sides will have equal size of powerhouses. Equal size of powerhouses. Then, according to this, it also offers the benefit of irrigation to Nepal and India. So multi-purpose project, electricity and also irrigation. India gets the lion's share of irrigation and flood control benefits. So for irrigation, India will get more water, more share of the water from this project. Can you take out the map and find out Uttarakhand for me and find out Pithoragarh in Uttarakhand? Map of North India. Find out Uttarakhand and Pithoragarh. In the eastern side of Uttarakhand, you can find a place called as Pithoragarh. Now, this is where the Mahakali River originates. The Mahakali originates at Kalapani in the Himalaya, in the Pithoragarh district of Uttarakhand. From here, the river originates and goes via the border of India and Nepal. Come on, right up. Mahakali. So they can ask this river for the exam because it was in news. Mahakali originates from Kalapani. Kalapani is easy to remember, right? And it flows in the Pithoragarh district in Uttarakhand and flows through the Indo-Nepal border. And flows through the Indo-Nepal border. All okay? Next point. It takes the name of Kali River after merging with the Kalapani River and the Kutti Yamti River at Gunji. Now, these are things to remember. Very much not easy at all. So write down. It takes the name of Kali River after merging with the Kalapani River, the Kutti Yamti River at Gunji. Now you would have studied the tributaries of Ganga, the left bank tributaries, right? Gomti, Ghaghra, and this river comes and joins the Ghaghra River, which is a tributary of Ganga. So write down. It joins the Ghaghra River, a tributary of Ganga. You cannot see this in the map, is there? It is there in the map? Ghaghra would be there. Ghaghra. So, the second tributary, right? Gomti, Ghaghra, Gandak, Uri Gandak, Kosi. These are the tributaries of Ganga and it joins Ghaghra. Okay. The Treaty of Integrated Development of Mahakali River was signed between Nepal and India in February 1996 and came into effect next year, 1997. Mahakali River project between India and Nepal. Also, you can use it for mains paper to international relation. If you get a question, explain India-Nepal relationship. You can write this as a very, very important current affairs. That's why geography is a subject that covers many areas. A vast subject, but it gets you, fetches you mark in GS paper 1 geography, GS paper 2 helps in IR, economic geography paper 3, prelims, essay gives you lot of material and fodder to write for essay. Okay.